Hi, welcome to another day and a new video. In these remaining days, we're going to be doing a kind of recap of all we have done in the year, and one of them is words pronunciation. So today we're going to be pronouncing these 100 words. So let's pronounce it together. We have incentive, 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 innocent, 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 ingrate, 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 intelligent, 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 injection, 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 important, 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 impact, 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 impression, 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 impotent, 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 imperfect, 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 pregnancy, 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 production, 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 infant, 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 information, 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 create, 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 convenient, 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 provident, 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 prominent, 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 progressive, 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 apartment, 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 monitor, 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 mentor, 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 senator, 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 visitor, 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 creator, 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 digestion, 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 function, 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 vector, 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 introduction, 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 formation, 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 flights, flights, bright, bright, right, right, fight, fight, might, might, mature, 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 stature, 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 measure, 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 nature, 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 gesture, 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 torture, 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 future, 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 furniture, furniture, furniture. Surveyor, survivor, survivor. Surveyor, surveyor. Furbish, furbish, furbish. Confidence, confidence, confidence. Conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. Confusion, confusion, confusion. Combination, combination, combination. Tend, tend. Send, send. Bend, bend. Fend, fend. Mend, mend. Replenish, replenish, replenish. Punish, punish, punish. Garnish, garnish, garnish. Banish, banish, banish. Tarnish, tarnish, tarnish. Studio, studio, studio. Biography, biography, biography. Biology, biology, biology. Fiona, Fiona, Fiona. Giovanni, Giovanni, Giovanni. Student, student, student. President, president, president. Rodent, rodent, rodent. Prudent, prudent, prudent. Present, present, present. Sentences, sentences, sentences. Convenience, convenience, convenience. Competence, competence, competence. Intelligence, intelligence, intelligence. Pretense, pretense, pretense. Pension, pension, pension. Station, station, station. Mission, mission, mission. Fashion, fashion, fashion. Conversation, conversation, conversation. Sentiment, sentiment, sentiment. Payment, payment, payment. Torment, torment, torment. Procurement, procurement, procurement. Tournament, tournament, tournament. Permanent, permanent, permanent. Participant, participant, participant. Garment, garment, garment. Germinate, germinate, germinate. Precious, precious, precious. Validity, validity. validity, validity, facility, 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 security, 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 sanity, 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 totality, 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 secure, 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 procure, 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 pedicure, 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 culture, 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 texture, texture, texture. So far so good. How many did you score right? How many were you able to pronounce right? Let's know about in the comment section. And if you're seeing us for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel right here. We learn how to read, write, and speak. And if you find what we do here interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being amazing. Thank you for coming back to watch our video today. Don't forget, we are still on our vlogmas series and we are rounding up the year, so I think it is wise for us to do a kind of recap of what we have done all through the year, and in that way we get to know if actually we did something nice or it was a waste of time. So how many did you score in total out of the 100? Let me know about it in the comment section. Thank you for watching today. See you on our next video and bye for now.